Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create a navigation menu in your Wix website. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to editor.wix.com and turn on Developer Mode. Once done, click on the plus sign on the left side to add elements and go to Menu and Anchor. In here, go to Horizontal Menus. And then scroll down. Just look for the style that you like. Or you could also click on Themed Menus. This one, I kinda like it, so I'll add it on my website. Now, I will position it as to where I want it to be shown over on my website. In here, let's click on the gear icon, which is Settings. When you click on the text, then turn on Set as Advanced. Once again, click on it. In here, go to Home. Now click on the three dots. Now, let's go over and choose among the options here. Let's click on Menu Design. In here, we can also add animations, depending on which one ever you like. These are the custom tools that can make you personalize your menu over at your website. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.